lady that I love. She's a lady from Goa.
Up for the seven notes. Finally, the man with the magical voice.
Love you now. Mojagar sa tujhe aris al hoga.
Only the front. Every black out. Aging Monica, requesting all the Karens.
Don't look at.
Everybody, come on. We gotta make it louder. Come on, one more time. Everybody, come on. Okay. One and only.
Remo.
Thank you so much.
I told you that this is a tribute to the legend. He inspired many musicians over the years to write their own music, to write their own songs, to write their own life journey. And here is a tribute to Remo. Andy, are you ready? On the big screen. Can we come? Are we better sound?
Born in the heart of Goa, Remo Fernandez found his rhythm before he even found his voice. As a young boy, stepping onto a stage for the very first time, he chose passion over fear, courage over comfort, and with nothing but determination, carved out a sound the world would never forget. But Remo gave us more than music. He gave Goa a voice. Through every lyric, every guitar riff, every electrifying performance, he carried the soul of our homeland across continents. He inspired generations, uplifted our identity, and made every Goan stand taller with pride. This Sunday, we celebrate the legend one final time.
Ladies and gentlemen, I told you the moment we've been waiting for. And with this something to depict his life, to depict that journey it taken some of the words from your book. Music is how I breathe when the world steals my air. That is from Remo's book. It's got a glimpse of Goa. It is made and curated by a Goan artist. Handmade, handpicked, okay, to give this thing for posterity, so that someday when he sees this on his wall, he will always remember this day, this very moment, this final stage that celebrated his legacy. And may long it continue, Remo. You have been an inspiration to generations. You have been, so many musicians have walked your journey. And this song was sung by some of the youngest and some of the top bands just for you.
Thank you very much. And I think Ravi is going to pay my excess baggage if I'm going to take this to Goa. Right?
That's already taken care of. Okay? I'll be flying with Remo to Goa. So Remo, when you put on this wall, remember the crowd that was there for you and the love that we all have and will continue to have for you. So one final moment. Viva! Viva! Goan Karanso! Goan Karanso! We love you. And over, Remo, would you like to say anything for the crowd for your last one moment?
I want to say, Deo Bare Kurum. There's nothing else I can say because I'm too emotional right now. Thank you very, very much. I never expected my last show to be like this. This is such a lovely feeling for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm Zat. Deo Bare Kurum Baba. Mok Sadan Thasundi. Sadan Thasundi.
This show, just one final, would not be possible without the team behind me. Okay? Behind every successful man, there are women.
Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria Pitache. Hooyah! Parle d'amant, puis di compris. Parle d'amant, puis di compris. Alegna and other music, Christina Said. Alegna and other music, Christina Said. Hooyah! Rapariga, baby, music, não se pode fazer. Rapariga, baby, music, não se pode back. Those who are sitting at the Kine Fugode Monera, Fugode Montangalai, you gotta sing 1, 2, 3. Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. The right side and the left side. I want to hear only the right side first. Let's see who is louder. Only side. Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. I want to say a very big thank you to Mama Aino, Ani Baja Panadipno, Mama Aino, Ani Baja Panadipno, Ani Mama Richapina, Takai Yanga Sanhairo, Ani Mama Richapina, Takai Yanga Sanhairo, Ya Ya Maya Ya, everybody, Ya 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 no, Ya Ya Maya Ya, 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 Ya Ya Maya Ya. Paklamata rane aku, rane mata pakilangu, rane mata pakilangu. Hey, parar sakai ranaku, parar sakai ranaku, parar sakai ranaku, parar sakai ranaku. Ya ya maya ya, ya ya maya ya, ya ya maya ya, ya ya maya ya, ya ya maya ya. Ya ya maya ya, 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 ya ya maya ya. Yeah, ya ya maya ya, 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 ya ya maya ya. Ya ya maya ya, ya ya maya ya. Last time, maya ya, ya ya maya ya, ya ya maya ya, ya 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 maya ya. And I'd like to start with a very old song of mine, which is from my first album. The name of the album was Goan Crazy, and the name of the song is Mary, Mary. And tonight and this evening, I would like to dedicate it to Selvin Colasso, the president of GOA Toronto, who seems to like this song very much. Here it is. Oh, I saw my Mary down by the ferry, crossing across the Zuari. She was looking very pretty, walking fast, fast, fitty, fitty. When I asked my sweet Mary bye, माझ्याकडे तू का जर जाताय? She said, only if you go to Dubai. So I made my passport, I went to the airport and spent 3 years in Dubai. Came back with cassette deck 3-in-1, golden sunglasses from Ray-Ban, and I asked my sweet Mary bye. Aata माझ्याकडे का जर जाताय? She said, now ask your future sasubai. Oh, when I marry Mary, she'll cook me nice rice and curry. Oh, when I marry Mary, Mary and I will make merry. So I put on my best boot, I put on my best suit, and went to see my sasubai. He was sitting in the balcony, drinking urak from his carabao. I wanted to give a sherbao, but when I saw him, I only said meow. He said, so you want to marry my sweet daughter Mary with your cassette and your TV? Let me tell you, you're making me laugh. If you think that that is enough to get my sweet Mary, you have to become a minister G and get a plot in Purvori. Oh, when I marry Mary, it could be nice rice and curry. Oh, when I marry Mary, Mary and I will make merry. Oh, when I marry Mary, she'll cook me nice rice and curry. Oh, when I marry Mary, Mary and I will make merry. Goans to the non-Goans, and thank you for coming to our show.
Switch on the drummer's monitors,
Oh.
please.
Sorry?
Drummer's monitor is not.
1, 2, 3, 4. I can't really hear my monitor. I can hear my guitar. Sahiba pagdadi weta, daapolya lagna ko weta. Maka sahiba baatu da koi, maka sahiba baatu kono na.
the Beatles. This is our own version of this great song. And today I'd like to dedicate it to a fellow Beatle fan who is here tonight, Mr. Daryl. a chance to do some songs for Hindi films. And Hindi films in India take you all over the country. So finally, when I released my first Hindi album and I did my first Hindi film songs, I broke out from Goa and it came over to the rest of India. This song is a song called Hamma Hamma from a film called Bombay. Was a sunny, sunny day by the sea. I lay beneath the coconut tree, and I bought myself some juicy, juicy watermelons to taste. When I saw her stepping out from the ocean, wearing nothing but sun and lotion, and the shiny, shiny steel was making around her waist. In the moment the pressure fire, my watermelons turned to fire. When she came and made a maze in my tongue, with the she said tonight the mood is gonna be full, and the calypso is gonna be cool, and I would hate to be alone, so won't you come along and break the rule? I said, ooh la la, ooh, my ocean queen. Ooh la la, tell me where you've been. Ooh la la, my ocean queen. Ooh la la, tell me where you've been. I've been waiting, baby. Now when the time came up to go and fetch her, she stood there pretty as a picture. Oh, she stood there like the goddess of the night in the heady moonlight. She had pretty flowers in her hair. She had pretty flowers here and there. She had pretty flowers everywhere, and she smelled oh so rare. started moving, the coconuts started moving, and the electricity passed from my feet to my thyroid gland. She's not that lucky as I sat to the sun, as she pulled me gently by the hand, and we danced the calypso of love. Tell me where you've been. Yeah. Ooh la la, my ocean queen. Ooh la la, tell me where you've been last night. Ooh la la, my ocean queen. Ooh la la, tell me where you've been. Watch it now. Hey, hey, hey. Dill me sama, mite urana, berasa pala, tak menisi, dill dokona hitam. Pyar to hona hitam, pyar to hona hitam, pyar to hona hitam, pyar to hona hitam. आपका प्यार तो होना ही था. Thank you very much for being such a lovely audience. I'd love to take you home with us. I'd love to take you home. I would like to dedicate this next song to Godo, who made this fantastic song. I keep running back to you. I love that song. Anyway.
Gentlemen are here till only in Konkani.
officers and the board of directors who have worked entirely on a voluntary basis. The dedication and passion for countless hours of service are the reason for this festival's continuing triumph. The community is truly admirable. The president is the best.
Come on, are we going to Remo! But I have to make one announcement before Remo comes on stage, right? Because of Hindi pop and Hindi film categories, his music has traveled all the way from Tokyo to Tanzania and then right from London to New York City.
He has performed with Led Zeppelin, Queen and other global greats. He's a Padma Shri Award winner. His autobiography, released in 2021, went straight to the bestseller and 5-star list across the world.
Known for his hits that include Oh Mary Munni, Ocean Queen, Bombay City, and Goan classics like your favorite Maria Pita Shea. Today he is accompanied by the microwave papadums that include Mikesh Natwal on keyboards, basses and backing vocals, Vishal Fatafekar on dholak, tablas, hand sonic, and Santana Carvalho on drums and backing vocals. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the legendary Remo?
So put your hands together. A big round of applause. Noise for the pop of Indian pop. Everybody, yeah, we're getting him.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
My fellow Goenkars from London, I'll check that thing. What's happening here? My signal is going off and on. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about it, if you don't mind. Some years ago, after I took the third vaccine of COVID, after I took the third COVID vaccine, I suffered a light stroke. And that stroke, it gave me some problems in the use of my fingers. So that made my guitar playing and my flute playing a bit difficult. And it was not as it used to be before. And then last year I suffered from vertigo and I had a nasty fall for which I had to be operated in my cranium. So all that put together has put me in a state whereby my doctor in Goa forbade me from performing if I were going to stand up and perform. He ordered me to sit down and perform. Now sitting down and performing is not really my cup of tea, so that's why I decided to call it a day and to stop performing. Asking why am I performing tonight or today, this evening? There are two reasons why I'm performing today. To perform last year over. My signal is going off all the time over here. I was supposed to perform here last year, but I could not perform because of my operation. And so I did not perform. Say no. I didn't want to say no. So here I am. And my second, thank you. And the second reason is because I rare matso rao don mintani ulla. And my second reason is because I don't know why, but for many years I've been wanting to perform for the UK Goans. And finally my wish has come true, and I'm going to be performing for you. And I fact that my fingers are not what they used to be. My throat is not what it used to be. And I have to sit down and perform. I hope you don't mind. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can I have my guitar, Nilesh? Nilesh, can I have my guitar, please? Thank you. I love you too. With all my heart.